One of my earliest videos shows how to create a drop shadow effect in Procreate. Some comments complained that you couldn't see the menus on the screen to see what I was talking about. So I'm going to redo that video right now. So let's make a drop shadow. So I'm just going to draw a circle shape. I'm going to let it quick select, quick shape, make it an ellipse. I'm going to drag and drop a color into it. So there's the shape I want to put a drop shadow on. I'm going to go to my layers, slide that layer to the left and say duplicate. I'm going to go to the bottom layer. I'm going to go to the adjustments menu in the top left, and it says use saturation and brightness. I'm going to tap that, drag my brightness all the way down to the left where it says none. Grab the selection tool. That will select the shape underneath the top layer because that's the layer I've selected, and as you can see in the layers, that layer is now black. I'm going to pull or drag this out a little bit, and now I have a very sharp, crisp drop shadow. If I want to make it fuzzier, maybe a little bit more realistic, I can go to the magic wand, tap Gaussian blur, slide it to the right a little bit, blur that shadow, and it's as simple as that. If you want it to be a less opaque shadow, just change the opacity of that layer. And you can do this with more than circles. You can do it with anything basically that you want to put a drop shadow on. So there you go, updated video on creating drop shadows. Hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.